Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into cosine 3x and cosine 3x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine 3x squared plus sine 3x squared equals to number 1. So because we have cosine 3x squared in here, so I will put this one go to the right. And then I will change cosine 3x squared into this one. Now, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine 3x. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the u equal to 3 cosine 3x dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. This one we change by u squared. Cosine 3x dx we change by this one. Next, about this one, we can change into u to the power of 1 over 3. And this one multiply by number 1 and u squared. So for this one, you will have about 7 over 3. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 1 over 3. You got about u to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1. Similar for the second one. This one we have 4 over 3. This one we have 4 over 3. This one we have 10 over 3. This one we have 10 over 3. About u, that is about sine 3x. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We have the formula in here. Sine of negative a equals to negative sine a. So I will put the negative side go outside. Next, we have another formula in here. Sine a cosine b equals to 1 over 2 sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. And now we apply the formula for this one. So this one we have 1 over 2 and we have sine of a plus b, that's about 2x plus 3x. You got about 5x plus sine of 2x minus 3x. You got about negative x. This one we can apply the same formula in here. And now we have the final answer. the integration of sine phi s, we got about negative 1 over 5 cosine phi s. The integration of negative sine s, you got about positive cosine s. And we put about c. Now, negative 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 5 and cosine s. You got about 1 over 10 cosine phi s minus 1 over 2 cosine s. Now, let's go to the last one. This one, I can write into secant of 3s squared. Secant of 3s squared. We know that this one we can change into tan 3s squared plus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. So I will put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan 3s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So you got about the u equal to 3 secant of 3s squared dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. This one we change by u, and you got about u squared. Secant of 3s squared dx, we change by du over number 3. So u multiplied by u squared and number 1. And you got about u to the power of 3 plus u. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, you got about u to the power of 4 over 4. About u, you got about u squared over 2. And we put about c. About u, that is about tan 3s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.